tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To be able to do this, open up the video that you want to loop. On the pop-up that appears, tap New Playlist. Give the playlist any name you want and then tap Create. Once that's done, open your library from the bottom menu. In your library, select the playlist we just created with that one song in it. Once the video loads, tap the little arrow button to open the playlist settings, and then tap the Repeat button here. That one video will now play on repeat until you turn it off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.